Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. So in this video we want to eat our delicious food we prepare. It's on my YouTube channel how we prepare this okra soup with swallow. Okay, so we have our juice here. It's on my YouTube channel how we prepare the juice. So we are about to eat our food. Come and join us. So Philip. Philip, magic crab.
Cook.
Fish.
Please. Man, give the rope.
Okay. This is give me for food. Yeah, eat. Eat your food. Philip, eat now. Okay. Philip, no, this is for you. This one we had some ingredients. Watch it on my YouTube channel, and this is for baby. Okay, this is juice. Yeah, Philip, see your juice. So beautiful people, come and join us with this delicious okra soup with swallow. Thank you, Jesus, for this beautiful food.
Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us. As you could see on this episode, we're about to eat our dinner, and we have with us here this perfect okra soup with crab. Okay, and we have our swallow. How we prepared it is on our YouTube channel. This is wheat and beans. So viewers, you are invited.
You are invited. Oh.
Thank you, Jesus Christ, for this feeling. Thank you, Jesus, for this wonderful meal.
Swallow.
This delicious meal at this time of the day. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us the grace to eat in our own house. Okay? Thank you, Jesus, for giving us the grace of being one family. Thank you, Jesus.
Mommy, juice.
Juice. Oh, here's your juice.
And your dam.
Viewers, you are invited. Oh.
You are invited.
Wow.
How we prepare this is on our YouTube channel. So, beautiful people, these days we need to eat good food, better food, quality food. that will work in our body.
Balanced diet.
Yes. Even juice, try and be taking. If na one pineapple you fit eat one day, it's okay. We have a lot of juice on our
channel.
Yes.
Pardon my manners. Our small madam
is sleeping.
She's busy sleeping. It's very important to eat quality food because I believe when you eat quality food, you will not be finding yourself in the hospital. You will not be getting sick.
With juice.
Wow, this is.
And prepare, if you have time, you can prepare your food on your own.
Yes, very important. At least you know what you are eating. Your own juice.
Okay.
Yeah. And to prepare juice like this, you don't need to have a juicer. If you have a blender, just blend it and sieve it. These are natural juice, no preservative. Because these days, we have to be running away from chemical food. When the body gets too used to chemical, it will not function properly.
Now they cause all this liver problem, kidney problem,
Cancer,
difficult to
body pain, a lot. Even anxiety, depression. All these chemical, they are there to, they have objective. They are there to, make the body to malfunction. Even water. Also water.
Eat your food.
No.
This is for Emanuela. What is that?
This crab is yummy.
Yes. I'm going to make a fish first.
Please like, share, comment. This is our soup. We covered it. Eat. See crab. We have to dismantle the hand first. prefer fried crab. Philip, 2 hands. Don't put your hand in your eyes, oh.
Yeah, drop it. Use your one. How about I do?
We should try as much as possible to eat quality food, because in as much as there's inflation everywhere, we should also not forget that the inflation is also affecting the cost of drugs. So if someone gets sick today, the regular paracetamol people easily buy, which are cheap before, now they're also expensive. Wow, I love this.
This one won't break my teeth. See the flesh.
Like fish.
Wow.
Philip, take. Philip, take crab.
Crab.
Yes, crab. Wow, this is so delicious.
That's about what Ben's no real macro.
We have prepared various okra soup, different methods. It's on our YouTube channel.
That different type.
This is a different recipe. Philip, take. This cooker, it has its own taste.
Fish.
Wow. This is so
Yummy.
yummy. If you are eating crab, you have to take some time. Prepare your earing teeth. Leave that one for Manuela. Here, take your juice. What do you? Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please, once again, let's try and prepare our food. Okay? Eat quality food. Take juice. Yeah, sometimes the kind of hygienic, the kind of water people use, sometimes
To prepare food.
if you see where some people are preparing food, you will not even want to eat it anymore. So it's very important, in as much as one is busy, we should try as much as possible to sacrifice, because anything you eat that is not good for the body, once it goes through the throat, the body will the body will, will pass through it. See? All our crabs.
Wow.
Finish. Philip, say bye-bye.
Oh, say bye-bye.
Oh, you don't want to say bye-bye? Tell me what bye-bye. It's so busy. See you in the next video. Mwah.